Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Fisher. I'm a junior elementary education major at Spring Hill College in Mobile, Alabama. Today I will be showing you how to utilize the Class Dojo app in your classroom. The really interesting thing about this app is that it can be found on the App Store on an Android or an iPhone, and it can also be utilized on a computer. The first time that I heard about the Dojo app was when I was in a classroom for a 5-day lab experience, and my teacher used it, and I've been hooked on it ever since. First, we're going to sign up. Since I'm a pre-service teacher and I don't actually have a school, I don't have one selected, but you can choose your school to join and access school functions through that very easily. A really cool thing is that it has a demo class, which can help you before you actually have your own classroom. So we're going to click on My Demo Classroom, and a really cool thing is you can look at the students' points individually or give points to the class as a whole. So for example, if Beyonce was helping others, I would give her individually a point. Once you do that, it makes a big noise. And a really cool thing is that if you have this on your big screen or your smartboard in the classroom, then the whole class can see that Beyonce earned a point and you can give her recognition in front of the classroom. A really cool thing about the point system is it can be utilized in your classroom for rewards. So for example, if Beyonce would have 10 points, she could possibly get something out of the treasure chest or get something to get her closer to getting a reward. Another really interesting thing is that you can give the whole class a reward. So for example, if I was doing a read aloud and my whole class sat on the carpet and was paying attention and listening, I could give them a point for being on task. Another really cool thing that Class Dojo does is attendance. This helps out when giving points to the whole class because you can see and utilize who's there. So for example, if Beyonce wasn't there, I would mark her absent and then save the changes. And on the point system, you would notice that Beyonce is blank. So if I were to give the class a point for helping others, Beyonce's points wouldn't go up, but everyone else's would. Another great thing about this is that you can invite parents to your classroom. So for example, I could add Beyonce's parents' information in here and allow them to see the points that are being received or vice versa, and they can send me messages. So the class story is also a really cool thing. You can add pictures and events of what's happening. So for example, the teacher that I did my 5-day with used this to show the cool experiments they had going on, and then the teachers could give the parents a look of what's going on without it being all over social media for everyone to see. And this also helps the privacy of your students. So that's just a rundown of Class Dojo. I hope it helped, and I hope you can utilize it in your classroom someday too. Thanks for listening.